Good afternoon po, ma'am. Welcome to English Coffee. How's your day, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you.
Would you like to order?
What's your best selling?
Or cappuccino po, ma'am?
But I prefer ice. Do you have ice coffee option?
Yes po, ma'am. We have ice mocha and ice caramel mocha macchiato.
I take the ice caramel macchiato. Large.
Okay, ma'am. We would like to add anything else, like pastry.
One ensaymada, please.
Okay po, ma'am. That would be total 300 pesos po, ma'am.
Okay. Here.
I received 300 pesos. Thank you po, ma'am. Your order will be about 15 to 20 minutes po, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Post mo ba? Post mo.
Okay na. One. Is your order, ma'am?
Thank you.
Come again.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Rob's Coffee Shop. How's your day?
I'm fine, thank you.
What would you like to order?
What is your best selling?
Our cappuccino, ma'am.
But I prefer ice. Do you have ice option?
Yes, ma'am. We have ice mocha and ice caramel macchiato.
I would like take ice caramel macchiato.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to add anything else like our pastry? We have delicious pastry that you might enjoy.
Sure, one and say mine.
Okay, ma'am. That will be 300 total. Please. Your order will be ready for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay na? Is your order, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Again.
And welcome.
Come again.
Welcome back on Motek.
Dire-diretso na to.
And there you go. Is your order, ma'am.
Thank you.
Enjoy.